Hello and welcome to today's video. So today's video I am doing a mutant version of PickyPiggy from SmilingCritters. I have my supplies ready to make the body, and the first thing I'm going to do is build up a base with polyester fiber fill. This stuff is way cheaper than doing your whole project out of wool roving. Some needle felters use core wool, but honestly I have never tried it. If you do needle felting and you have experience with core wool, please let me know your thoughts on it. For reasons that I swear will make sense later, I made the head really dense. Now I need to cut out the mouth. I figured this would be easier than trying to make the head with a mouth already open and hollow. Hollow, is that right? Empty? Gaping? I don't know. Hopefully you understand what I'm trying to say. Now that I have all the parts shaped out, I can start covering it with some pink wool roving. With everything covered, I can move on to her hooves. Sadly, I don't have an exact color to match this, so I'm going to have to use some artistic freedom when making them. Next step is to attach her limbs. I'm going to leave her head off for now so it's a little easier to finish it. The limbs are attached, time to make her some ears and a nose. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. It really helps the channel grow. Once the ears and nose are done, I will fill in her mouth and nostrils with some black wool roving. Off camera, I made her necklace pendant, tusks, and eyes. I'll bake those according to package instructions. Once they cool down, it's time to add some UV resin. The eyes I made are just a tad too big, so those have to go. I decided to use some glass cabochons and paint the backs of them with Folk Art Midnight Acrylic Paint. This technique works really well for making eyes because the light will naturally reflect off them. Now to attach everything. I am using Loctite Super Glue Gel. I really like using this glue on needle felt projects because the gel sits on top of the felt, or normal super glue soaks into it. Remember when I said I had a reason for making the head more dense? Well, this is that reason. The necklace pendant gets glued to some string and tied in place. Since PickyPiggy normally has an apple necklace, I thought it would be perfect for my mutant version to have a poison apple. I wanted to give my version lots of teeth, starting with those tusks I made. Once those are in place, I got into my supply of previously made and baked teeth. I always try to have some teeth, eyes, and horns on hand for any monster project that might come up. She's looking pretty evil at this point, but something is missing. She needs to have angry eyes. Time to make some eyelids and attach them at a slight angle. Last thing I need to do is make her a tail and attach her head. Alright, PickyPiggy is all done. Let's take a closer look at this finished mutant monstrosity. If you want to see more Smiling Critter videos, be sure to check out this creation by JH Creations. If you want to learn how to make your own polymer clay creations, be sure to check out my bite-sized tutorial playlist. Alright, well thank you so much for watching today's video, and remember, never stop creating. Bye!